Alright, real quick unboxing of some Shockworks coilovers. Exactly how it comes. This is just hiding my address because you all don't need to know that. Beautiful packaging. I'm going to try and do this without mincing anything. Alright, there's a box within a box. Impressive to suit my Ford Falcon. Must have cut that one as well, or that was left open. And we got another layer in here. Yeah. Okay. So we've got one coilover. No? Is this my rear shock? Yeah, nice. Without cutting myself, or the product would be ideal. Oh yes, one fully adjustable rear shock absorber. That is awesome. And that looks like our damper adjustment there. I'll have to read about how we'll do that. Very, very shiny, very, very nice. Let's put that aside. One and two. Very, very important. They've given me some stickers. Thank you. Red and black. Get a good shot of that. Whoop. Now we've got some inner boxes I guess we're going to take out. Or is this one full box? That looks like one full box all the way at the bottom. So let's take out this inner spacer. Oh yes. Now this is the stuff I want. Now I've ordered these without the spacers for the rear springs because I don't need them. Because I'm running airbags in the rear of my car. And in here, dun, 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 is the Shockworks coilover itself. Beautiful piece of equipment, beautiful welds, lovely locking collars, very fat, much fatter than some of the competitors' collars I've seen, so which is great. Because when these get 20 years old and these start to get a bit rusty, last thing you want is to be rounding these things off, let me tell you. Had some fun times before. So, beautiful construction. Let's have a look at the top. There's a damper adjustment. Other way. But yeah. So this is what you can expect, roughly, if you order without your springs for a Ford Falcon. And then we've got these spanners, which, hard to show you, but these are really sturdy. Like, they do not look like flimsy ones like I've seen in some of the cheaper models. So yeah, that's what you get in a nutshell. And awesome. And that was that cardboard falling over. Alright, thanks for watching.